Alright everyone, welcome to the brand new chapter, and this chapter is quadratics. Okay, so topic number three. So again, quadratics is a very important topic. It's going to be in a lot of different exam questions, and it's going to be in a lot of SACs as well. Okay, this topic you'll see pretty much all the way throughout the Methods 1-2 course. So let's jump straight into what you should know after you finish this section. So first things first, you need to be able to expand and factorize quadratic equations. So expanding is getting rid of brackets, factorizing is putting into brackets. That's kind of my definition for it. Right? So an extension to that, you need to be able to factorize monic and non-monic quadratics. So we'll talk about what that is. And similarly, you need to also be able to complete the square of monic and non-monic quadratics. And using all these methods, we should be able to solve some quadratic equation using null factor law, completing the square, and the general quadratic formula as well. So that's kind of like the first half of quadratics. The second half involves parabolas, so sketching pretty much. So I'll introduce you to the properties of parabolas, which are x-intercepts, x-intercept, y-intercepts, axis of symmetries, and turning points. And I'll introduce you to all of those. And we should be able to sketch parabolas in any form. There's 3 different forms you can see: turning point, intercept, and general. You should be able to sketch any of them. And of course, use quadratic form to sketch. And lastly, kind of the last end of the topic is that firstly, you need to know what the discriminant is and how you can use it to determine the number of x-intercepts or the number of solutions. Then use that knowledge to do some application questions. So everyone's favorite, worded problems. Okay, so guys, these are all the things that you need to know by the end of this chapter.